I have a box here that I'm gonna unbox for you. I cheated a little and just kind of opened it, peeked inside, but didn't exactly look. So let's see what's in here. So I chose something from their rose collection. I love the smell of roses, it's so good. And just upon opening the box, you can smell what's inside already. So this is what I have. And it seems that there's 3 items in here, perfectly wrapped in rose paper. So let's see what we have here. I kind of don't want to unwrap it because it's so pretty. Oh, but the smell, as soon as you open the box, you can smell it. Ooh, so I have their 100 Roses handcrafted soy wax candle. Great packaging. It's kind of minimal, but it's great because it's gonna go with any decor. Oh my goodness, but once you open it, that smell is intensified 100% from what's in the box. Oh my goodness, it smells just like roses. Oh, a dozen of red ones for Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be great for when you take a bath, put some bath bombs, actual rose petals, light this baby up, and you're gonna be in self-care heaven. Okay, what else do we have? This one is, ooh, 100 Roses Goat's Milk Body Lotion. Can't smell it because obviously it's in the canister, but that candle, oh my goodness. Let's see. There we go. Now I can smell it. Again, the smell is amazing. The cream, silky smooth. That smell is just so good though. Okay, last one. And we have, ooh, 100 Roses Moisturizing Liquid Cleanser. So this is, let's see. Soap. This is great for your guest bathroom. The soap and the cream because they smell amazing. And I don't know if I want to share it with guests though. I think I want to keep it for myself in my room. So there you have it, my 100 Roses collection unboxing with B.Witching Bath Co.